approach Cirrus 7 Charlie Victor, just checking if you can put me higher.
Number 71 Charlie Victor, expect higher in about 10 miles.
Roger.
Number 71 Charlie Victor, you can climb and maintain 9 or 1,000.
9 or 1,000, 1 Charlie Victor.
November 71 Charlie Victor, clear direct cleft.
Direct cleft, 1 Charlie Victor.
November 71 Charlie Victor, contact Palm Beach approach 128.3, good day.
28.3, 1 Charlie Victor, good day. Palm Beach approach 071 Charlie Victor, 8,500, climbing 9 or 1,000.
71 Charlie Victor approach, roger, altimeter 3024.
3024, 1 Charlie Victor.
Cirrus 71 Charlie Victor, Miami Center 13225.
32.25, 1 Charlie Victor.
Cirrus 1 Charlie Victor, clear direct Barron, direct Orlando.
Direct Barron, direct Orlando, 1 Charlie Victor.
1 Charlie Victor, center maintain 7,000.
7,000, 1 Charlie Victor.
Orlando International Airport arrival information whiskey 14530. Wind 080 at 14. Visibility 10. Few clouds at 4,100. Few clouds at 4,900. 6,000 scattered. 5,000 scattered.
Is 11.8, descending 10,000 miles diameter, descend and maintain 5,000. Descending 5,000, 9 Charlie Sierra. November 667 Mike Tango, contact Miami Center 132.15.
3215 for 667 Mike Tango.
So 1 Charlie Victor, and I missed it. You have ATC X-ray at MCO. Expect runway visual approach to runway 36 right.
We have X-ray and expected visual 36 right, 1 Charlie Whiskey, Victor. Orlando Cirrus 71 Charlie Victor.
Number 71 Charlie Victor, land approach, maintain your present speed or better, please. You'll be next for the sequence. Expect runway 36 right.
Present speed or better, expect 36 right, 1 Charlie Victor.
Delta 2081 airport's off your left there. It's your about 9 o'clock and 10 miles.
281 has the airport in sight.
Delta 21 clears the approach 36 right.
Delta 21 clears the visual 36 right.
Number 71 Charlie Victor, let's see, turn 10 degrees to your left, 10 to the left, descend and maintain 3,000.
10 left, 3000, 1 Charlie Victor. When I was planning this flight, I thought it's going to be, and it was forecast to be visual meteorological conditions, but it turned out that we are flying half the time in the clouds.
Cirrus 71 Charlie Victor, advise the airport inside 1 o'clock and 12 miles.
Airport is inside, 1 Charlie Victor.
1 Charlie Victor, present speed till advised, clear visual approach on my 36 right.
Present speed, still advised, cleared visual, 36 right, 1 Charlie Victor.
Number 71 Charlie Victor, maintain 160 knots or less, contact tower 124.3.
160 all knots or less, 24.31 Charlie Victor. Orlando Tower 071 Charlie Whiskey, Victor on 7 mile final, 36 right.
Cirrus 71 Charlie Victor, Orlando Tower, wind 090 at 19er, runway 36 right, clear to land, caution wake turbulence, departing Boeing 757.
36 right, clear to land, 1 Charlie Victor.
500.
Tower JetBlue 131, we're ready, 36 right. JetBlue 131, left tower, thank you, runway 36 right, line of weight. 36 right, line of weight, JetBlue 131. Cirrus 71 Charlie Victor, left turn at Echo, cross runway 18 left, and then contact ground control 121.8.
Left Echo, cross 18, left and over to ground, 1 Charlie Victor.
1 Tower American 1710, visual 36 right. Jet 131 left tower, fly heading to 015, 15 degrees, runway 36 right, clear for takeoff. 015, clear for takeoff. 36 right, JetBlue 131. American 1710 left tower, runway 36 right, clear to land, wind 080 at 16.
November 71 Charlie Victor, runway 36 left, line up and wait.
36 left, line up and wait, 1 Charlie Victor.
Frontier 1187, visual approach 36 left.
Frontier 1187 Orlando Tower, runway 36 left, cleared to land, traffic in position, Cirrus, wind 08018, gust 24.
36 left, clear to land, Frontier 1187.
Caravan 8 Mike Victor, turn left at Echo, contact ground, point 8 exiting.
Left Echo, point 8. 8 Mike Victor.
Okay, that's our runway.
Number 1 Charlie Victor, flighting 090, runway 36 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway 36 left, clear for takeoff, heading 090, 1 Charlie Victor.
Check runway.
American 1716 is ready, Bravo 10.
1716, Orlando Tower, runway 36 right, line up point.
Line up and wait,
600.
right, American 1716.
1716, 120.15 for departure now.
12015, got it, thank you.
Number 1 Charlie Victor, contact departure.
Over to departure, 1 Charlie Victor. Departure 071 Charlie Victor, 1,300, climbing 2,000.
71 Charlie Victor, land to departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 4,000.
4,000, 1 Charlie Victor. Departure Cirrus 71 Charlie Victor, 2,800, climbing 4,000.
November 71 Charlie Victor, Orlando departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 12,000.
1,2000, 1 Charlie Victor. Miami Cirrus 71 Charlie Victor, 10,600, climbing 12,000 on 120 heading.
271 Charlie Victor, Miami Center. Spare beach altimeter 3022, amendment to your routing, advise ready, copy.
3022, and I'm ready to copy, 1 Charlie Victor.
1 Charlie Victor, clear direct Pahokee, that's Papa Hotel Kilo, join Victor 267 to Brickell, which is Bravo, Romeo, India, Kilo, Lima, direct to Opelika.
Direct Pahokee, Victor 267, direct Brickell, direct Opelika, 71 Charlie Victor. Beautiful weather to fly. Approach Cirrus 71 Charlie Victor, 6,500, descending 4,000.
Number 71 Charlie Victor, Palm Beach approach, Palm Beach altimeter 3019.
3019, 1 Charlie Victor.